Good morning kids. Welcome back. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's take a quick recap of what we learned in chapter 1. We learned number from 0 to 10, number names, number and figures, before, after and between numbers, odd and even numbers. I hope you all are watched and completed your lessons. Moving forward, let's start chapter 2. Lesson number 2, comparing numbers. In this chapter, we will learn comparing numbers. That means less than, greater than, equal to. To compare two numbers means to compare two numbers means one number is greater than another number. One number is less than another number. And one number is equal to another number. To compare two numbers means one number is greater than another number. One number is less than another number. One number is equal to another number. There are three different symbols that are used to compare the numbers. Children, do you know which are these symbols? For less than, for greater than, for equal to, we use these symbols. We learned these symbols in smaller classes. When we compare numbers, we telling about their sizes. For example, 5 is greater than 2. 2 is less than 4. 9 is equal to 9. Instead of this, we use symbol. 5 is greater than 2. 2 is less than 4. And 9 is equal to 9. Understood? When we go forward, the number values increases. With the help of a number line, we learn number values. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 is smaller than 2. 3 is smaller than 4. Then 10 is greater than 5. Now we can learn the comparison of numbers briefly. First of all, less than. Less than. For less than, we use this symbol. For example, what is less than? Jack has 2 balloons and Jimmy has 3 balloons. Who has less number of balloons? Children, say who has less number of balloons? Jack has 2 balloons. Jimmy has 3 balloons. Who has less number of balloons? Yes, Jack has less number of balloons. So, we can say 2 is less than 3. For example, 2 is less than 5. 1 is less than 9. 6 is less than 10. That means the open mouth always shows the bigger number. Here the bigger numbers are 5, 9, 10. That means the open mouth of a symbol shows the bigger number. The closed mouth of a symbol shows smaller number. Understood, children? Now, next topic. What is greater than? What is greater than? Greater than symbol is the open mouth shows the greater number. For example, Vihan has 3 balls. Who has 3 balls? Vihan. Vihan has 3 balls. And Vyom has 5 balls. Who has 5 balls? Vyom. Children, can you say who has more balls? Vihan has 3 balls and Vyom has 5 balls. Who has more balls? Yes, Vyom has more balls. So, we can say 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3. Now, what is the next topic? Next is equal to. Equal to. equal to. The symbol is equal to. That means the two numbers are same. 9 is equal to 9. 4 is equal to 4. 3 is equal to 3. If we see the same number on both sides, which symbol we use? We use equal to. We use equal to. Now we can start worksheet. You have to write in the notebook. Kids, all you completed the question? Yes. Now check your answers. 5 is dash than 3. Which symbol will come? 5 is greater than 3. Here 1 dash 5. 1 is less than 5. Next number 8 dash 10. 8 is less than 10. Both the numbers are same. So put equal to symbol. Check the numbers. Which is the bigger number? 9. So greater symbol will come. 0 dash 4. 0 is less than 4. All your answers correct. Question number 2. Write a number lesser than the given number. Here, which number given? 7. You can write the number from 0 to 6. Any number you can write. I will write 6. 6 is lesser than 7. You can write 5 also. Then you can write 4 also. Next number, dash is lesser than 5. You can write 0 to 4 any number. 2. Then here 8 given. So you can write 0 to 7. 0. Here 6 given. I will write 3. Then 4. Less than 4. 1. 9. 6. Question number 3. Write a number greater than the given number. Like question number 2, you can write any greater number from 8 to 10. Here first number 7, you can write 8. Here 2. You can write 6. From 3 to 10. 7, 6, 8. Dash is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5. 4. 7 is greater than 4. 9. 10 is greater than 9. Understood this? You can write greater number of given number.
Okay children, we will start third chapter in the next session.